Would you believe me if I told you you can get comprehensive phone monitoring in just 5 minutes and without any technical skills? Follow the video. You can pause when needed. Step 1. Visit SpyX.com. No software download required. Enter your email address. Choose the phone to monitor, Android or iOS. It's that simple. Android. Just grant 7 quick permissions. Just follow the green highlighted parts. Each permission takes only a few seconds. The hardest part? Remember your email address to receive the registration code. iOS is even simpler. Just your iCloud email address and password. No apps need to be installed on your phone. That's the magic of cloud technology. First, check the location features. Real-time GPS location, ambient recording, social media monitoring. All features are centralized in one control panel, simple and easy to use. Second, check contacts. Pay attention to every new number. 34% of online dangers start with unfamiliar contacts. Third, check app chats. See what they're seeing and take preventative measures. Want more features? SpyX not only shows usage time, but also what they're watching. All features are selectable and easy to see. It's that simple. Just 5 minutes. Now you can use it from your phone or computer. View the report weekly. Treat it as a conversation, not a confrontation. I'm not spying on you. I'm protecting you. Like when I teach you to buckle up in a car. Leave a comment below. Your experience can help other parents. Link in description. In the digital age, the best protection is the protection you actually use.